Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate chip vanilla pudding freezer cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 package of sugar-free vanilla instant pudding, or you could use any other flavors that you like. I'm just using the vanilla. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then you need, it says 42 grams of some kind of sugar-free chocolate chips. So I'm using the Kroger brand they just came out with, and I just did 4 tablespoons just to keep it simple for my adding up of my net carbs. So that's all you need. And then you're going to need some kind of like muffin or cupcake tin that I have here, because we are going to make 12 of these. And as you can see, I sprayed mine generously with cooking spray. Alright, first you want to just go ahead and pour in your dry pudding mix into a bowl, and we are going to add our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to that. We're just going to whisk it together until it's nice and smooth with no more lumps. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to just add in our sugar-free chocolate chips and give them a little stir and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes so it can thicken up. Okay, my mixture is nice and thick now, so I am going to go ahead and spoon it into my prepared muffin tins, about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons per tin. You just want to use it all and make sure they're pretty even, and then you want to go ahead and flatten them down with either a spatula or your hand. Alright, my cookies are all ready to go into the freezer. Basically, I just used a tablespoon scoop, and I just scooped them out. I did about 1.5 per each one, and then I just smoothed them not too flat. I didn't go crazy with making them touch the sides for easy removal. So, I mean, they're not like the most beautiful round things, but I think that will work. So we are going to stick these in the freezer for 4 hours to overnight. Alright, my keto ice cream cookies have been in the freezer overnight, so I just used a butter knife to loosen them out and pop them off here. And we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks, and according to my calculations, each cookie will be about 3 net carbs. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.